Did you know that you could use Perception Neuron with Animaze? To do so, open Access Studio. Go to Main Menu, Settings, BVH Broadcasting. Enable BVH Capture if you are broadcasting live data, or BVH Edit if you are broadcasting recorded data. If you are broadcasting recorded data, remember to play it on loop. Use the Access Studio thumb open skeleton and make sure displacement is disabled. Enable TCP and make a note of your IP address and port number. Click OK. Now open Animaze. Once you have a character picked out and calibrated, go to your Settings, Advanced Tracking Configuration, select Trackers. Scroll to the bottom and you'll see Access Perception Neuron. Click the toggle to enable it. Make sure the IP address and port number are correct. Then hit Connect. Now you will see the Access Studio data being broadcast alongside the facial capture being recorded in Animaze. And that is how you use Access Studio with Animaze.